the sunlight streams. Underneath the vast blue sky, we're lost in our dreams. Mountains whisper tales of old, where the shadows play. Every step we take together brings the magic to stay. Golden petals dancing wild in the gentle breeze. Hold my hand, let's wander free beneath the laughing trees. 60-stone mountain calls to us, a melody so sweet. In this paradise of colors, our hearts and souls will meet. Twilight paints the valleys with hues of deep gold, as fireflies awaken stories yet untold. The evening drapes a blanket over fields so bright. We'll find our way through starlit paths till day surrenders night. Oh, the world is vast, yet here we stand so close. With every whispered moment, it's you I love the most. Let the flowers guide us, every breeze a song. In this golden daily dance, we find where we belong. Golden petals dancing wild in the gentle breeze. Hold my hand, let's wander free beneath the laughing trees. 60-stone mountain calls to us, a melody so sweet. In this paradise of colors, our hearts and souls will meet. Morning breaks, the sun awakes, painting hills with fire. In the golden daylily fields, love is our desire. With laughter echoing through the air, joy flows like a stream. Each moment here together feels like a waking dream. Golden petals dancing wild in the gentle breeze. Hold my hand, let's wander free beneath the laughing trees. 60-stone mountain calls to us, a melody so sweet. In this paradise of colors, our hearts and souls will meet. As seasons change and petals fall, our love forever stays. With every dawn a new embrace, in the warmest rays. From dusk till dawn, let's weave our song. Through fields of gold we roam. In the shadows of the mountains, we've truly found our home. Oh, let's create our story in the rustling leaves. With every whispered promise, the heart believes. In this garden of existence, where nature sings along, we'll paint our hopes in daylilies and weave them into song. Golden petals dancing wild in the gentle breeze. Hold my hand, let's wander free beneath the laughing trees. 60-stone mountain calls to us, a melody so sweet. In this paradise of colors, our hearts and souls will meet. So here we stand, love in bloom, neath the golden light. In the daylily fields forever, our spirits take flight. 60-stone mountain watches as we vow and dream. Together in this journey, we're the perfect team. Ooh. Yellow stands with a timeless glow, rocks that dance with the ocean sigh, underneath the vast and endless sky. Oh, yellow, where stories unfold, in your arms nature's wonders told. Every step on the golden shore, a melody of voices forevermore. The Queen's Head rises, a regal sight, carved by time, bathed in sunlight. Tales of the sea in each grain of sand, a canvas of dreams gently planned. Whispers of history in the air, echoes of laughter, memories bare. Seagulls soaring on the breeze, so free. In Yellow's embrace, it's just you and me. Oh, Yellow, where stories unfold, in your arms nature's wonders told. Every step on the golden shore, a melody of voices forevermore. Rocky forms like guardians stand tall, nature's sculptures a beckoning call. With each tide, the secrets renew. In the heart of Yellow, love stays true. So let's wander where dreams reside, with the waves dancing by our side. In Yellow's embrace,